Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nuridia. Student ID number 210407550018. I'm from class C21C. On this occasion, I will explain a little about the following material. First, word connection. Connectives are also known as words or phrases that function to make transition or connect one sentence to the next. Connectives types and function. Types of connectives also vary according to the function or use of the connectives themselves. Below is an explanation of the types and function of connectives with examples of their connective words in sentences. 1. Addition of ID or adding. Adding or addition of ID server to add the ID's important point or information. Example: furthermore, also, further, in addition, moreover, and of equal importance, another besides. 2. Time connectors. This time connectives serves to show the time of the incident. Example of connectives, namely, in the meanwhile, the next day, or week, month, year, decade. The previous day or week, month, year, decade. Now, henceforth. Second, storytelling. Storytelling is a technique or ability to tell a story, setting scenes, event, and also dialogue. In the film, the filmmakers are armed with cameras. In comic artists are armed with pictures and story English. In short stories or novels, writers are armed with pens, diction, and word games and description by telling a story by means of storytelling. Storytelling uses the presenter's ability to tell a story with style, intonation, and aids that attract listeners. Storytelling is often used in the teaching and learning process, especially at the beginner or child level. This technique is useful for practicing listening skills in a fun way. Storytelling goals: create a happy atmosphere, giving pleasure, excitement, enjoyment develops the imagination of the listener, provide new experiences, and develop listener insight, can provide a good understanding of themselves and others around the brain, can provide new experiences including life problems that exist in the environment. Listeners learn to speak in a pleasant style and increase their vocabulary and language. Third, listening. In learning English, listening and listening are very important. Understandings, whether it's directly we get through media such as movies and music. Learning to listen and listen in English, of course, has a number of functions and benefits. By seeing and understanding the benefits and function of this, it means that we can be even more excited to learn to master it. The following are some of the function and uses of listening and listening in English. 1. Can practice or pronunciation skill better. 2. It will be much easier to work on and complete the structure exercise. The reason is that the more we hear and listen to English, the more sentences we can use. 3. Besides that, it can also increase our vocabulary. 4. It makes it easier for us to tell stories, communicate, and interact with people around us. 4. Reading. Comprehension reading. Comprehension is often found in English exams, but school exams and college entrance exam. Types of text in reading comprehension. Broadly speaking, reading comprehension can be categorized into two types of text, namely 1. Narrative text. As the name implies, narrative text or text is writing that narrates about a story that is formed with a certain plot. A narrative text has main elements such as character, setting, and problems faced by the characters. The structure of the narrative text itself is not always standard, but usually consists of an opening, a core, and a closing story. 2. Expository text. With narrative text that tells something and explains something is a flow. Expository text is a type of text that does something. There are no character, settings, problems, or storylines in this type of text. Expository text is written with the aim of providing information, explaining something, or inviting people to do something. Tips for canoeing reading comprehension. 1. Read and read. 2. Enrich English vocabulary. 3. Understand basic grammar. 4. Read question first. 5. Main ID understand. 6. Don't stick to one question. That's the explanation of the material from me. That is all, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.